Alright, quick question. Ever wish your brain could just talk faster than your fingers can type? Well, guess what? I've found something that might just change your typing game. Stick around because if you're looking for a smoother workflow, you'll want to hear this. Introducing Wispr Flow, your new AI assistant that turns speech into text faster than you can blink. Whether you're working on a document, chatting with a friend, or firing up an email, this tool promises to be your voice to text powerhouse. But here's the $1,000,000 question: is it legit or just another AI gimmick? Let me tell you, I put it to the test and I'm impressed. The thing that stood out to me: speed. Not just any speed, but lightning fast. 220 words per minute speed. It literally keeps up with my brain. Typing feels like a slow motion video after using this thing. Plus, it adapts to your voice, learning your words, even the weird ones. And yes, it actually makes sense of my rambling thoughts. Now I know what you're thinking. AI sounds great, but is it reliable? Absolutely. Whisper Flow auto edits your speech in real time, getting rid of those filler words we all slip in when we're talking too fast. Plus, it works across devices, syncing between your phone and computer without a hit. Is Whisper Flow legit? 100%. No scam here. It's not just another app to add to the pile. It's a tool that truly helps you work smarter, whether you're a creator, a student, or just someone who needs to type less and do more. This is worth checking out. Alright, that's all for today. Hope you found this review useful. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessory store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.